Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Family Knowledge Channel. In marriage, happiness doesn't only come from love, it also comes from how we manage real life together, especially money. Many couples fall deeply in love, marry happily, but just a few years later, financial conflicts become an invisible third party that weakens their relationship. Today, we'll dive into 1. Why couples often fight about money. 2. The dangerous consequences of ongoing financial conflicts. 3. 5 golden principles to handle them wisely. 4. Practical solutions to help couples maintain harmony and manage money effectively. 5. And finally, real-life stories with valuable lessons, asterisk. Part 1. Why do couples fight about money? Money, simple as it may sound, it carries endless conflicts. There are 4 main causes. Cause 1. Different spending habits. For example, the husband prefers saving, while the wife enjoys shopping freely. It's like one wants to drive slowly and safely, while the other wants to press the gas and speed ahead. Cause 2. Income gaps. If one earns significantly more, they may feel entitled to make more decisions. Meanwhile, the lower income partner may feel insecure. Cause 3. Different financial mindsets. Some want to invest and take risks for profit, while others prefer safety and savings. Cause 4. Lack of transparency and sharing. When one hides income, keeps a secret fund, or isn't honest, trust begins to crumble. Part 2. The consequences of fighting over money. If financial conflicts aren't addressed, they can cause serious damage. 1. A tense family atmosphere. Children will feel it directly, seeing their parents argue often. 2. Loss of trust. When one feels the other isn't transparent, affection fades away. 3. Risk of divorce. In fact, more than 30% of divorces worldwide stem from financial disputes. 4. Imagine a beautiful house, but inside, it's always filled with arguments. Would anyone still feel happy there? Asterisk. Part 3. 5 golden principles to handle conflicts. To maintain harmony, couples should remember these 5 principles. 1. Stay calm when talking. Don't let anger lead to hurtful words. 2. Listen and empathize, not just with your ears, but with your heart. 3. Be transparent about finances. Avoid secret funds. Share real income openly. 4. Make joint plans. Instead of spending individually, sit down together and calculate. 5. Respect differences. If you can't fully agree, find a compromise both can accept. Asterisk. Part 4. Practical solutions. Now let's go into specific, easy-to-apply solutions. 1. Set a family budget. For example, 50% for essentials, 20% for savings, 20% for investments, 10% for leisure. 2. Define common goals. Paint a vision together. Buying a house, raising children, traveling. With clear goals, saving won't feel so restrictive. 3. Hold regular financial meetings. Once a month, review spending and adjust the plan. 4. Seek expert help if needed. If conflicts can't be resolved, consult a financial advisor or marriage counselor. 5. Remember the win-win principle. No one wins in an argument, only the family loses. Asterisk. Part 5. Real stories and lessons. One couple shared. They used to fight constantly about money. The husband wanted to save for a house, while the wife enjoyed spending on their child. After many tense arguments, they decided to hold a family finance meeting every month. The result was surprising. They stopped yelling at each other, and instead reached agreements on spending. After 3 years, they finally bought their dream apartment. The lesson: it's not about how much money you have, but how you manage it together as a team. Asterisk. Fighting about money is not a small matter, but it's not impossible to solve either. Always remember: 1. Put love above money. 2. Be open and share with each other. 3. Learn to compromise and move toward common goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Family Knowledge to spread more valuable insights. Thank you, and see you again in the next video.